Hello everyone, my name is Khushali Patel, and today let's get into something really fascinating and important, which is the interaction of artificial intelligence and our criminal justice system. Now, just imagine this: AI, the same technology that powers our smart assistants and help us to navigate our daily lives, is now making its way into law enforcement and legal proceedings in India. It is big deal because it has the potential to make our justice system fairer and more efficient. But of course, before that, we need to step very carefully. What is artificial intelligence? Basically, AI is like giving computers a brain of their own. It helps them to do things that usually require human intellect, like planning, problem solving, and grasping concepts. You can find AI in all sort of places, from medical diagnosis to voice recognition, to those who help chatbots with you interact with through online mode. Now, AI isn't just one thing. It is a whole bunch of different technologies working together. We are talking about things like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Each one helps computers to get smarter in its own unique way. But let me tell you one thing: even though AI is super cool, it is not quite like having a human brain in a computer. There are still some things that humans can do better, like understanding complex situations and using our common sense. However, some AI programs are really good at specific tasks. They are even matching or surpassing human experts in certain areas. So it is not wrong to say that AI is like giving computers a brain boost, helping them to do some pretty impressive things. Now, let us look at some global developments. Across the globe, countries are incorporating AI into various aspects of their societies, from law enforcement to healthcare to education. Let's take a closer look at some of the notable examples. Talking about the United States, the USA is a powerhouse when it comes to AI research and development. Silicon Valley, it is a hub for AI startups and tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Facebook. They are heavily invested in AI technologies. In the jurisdiction of law enforcement, AI is used for predictive policing, facial recognition, and analyzing vast amounts of data to identify criminal patterns. Coming to China, China has made significant progresses in AI, with the government investing heavily in AI research and development. Chinese technology companies like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent are leading the way in AI innovation. In law enforcement area, China is using AI for surveillance, face recognition, and monitoring social media for potential threats. Then it comes United Kingdom. UK is also a major player in AI research. With institutions like DeepMind, they are leading the way in innovations. In law enforcement, AI is used for analyzing CCTV footage, predictive policing, and identifying suspects through facial recognition. Singapore has also emerged as a leader in AI adoption, with the government launching initiatives to promote AI research and development. In law enforcement, Singapore uses AI for projecting analytics, monitoring social media for potential threats, and enhancing border security through facial recognition technology. Estonia is also named in development of AI. Estonia is a country and it is known for its innovative approach to authority and has implemented AI in various sectors, including law enforcement. The country has introduced a robot judge for minor cases, which uses its AI algorithms to decide disputes and deliver verdicts. Hence, each country has its own approach to incorporate AI into its society. But one thing is clear: AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Now, how AI is applied in criminal law. Let us understand this. Crime prevention is the first area of application. Artificial intelligence is helping to keep our neighborhood safe from crime. Just imagine this: AI is like a super smart tool that helps us to spot bad matters before it happens. So instead of just waiting for crimes to happen, AI looks at a bunch of data like from security cameras and social media so that it can figure out where crimes might happen next. It also helps police find trouble spots and decide where to send officers. It is like having a super smart crime fighting buddy on our side. Plus, AI can analyze videos and pictures to find anything that is suspicious, like someone acting weird or doing something that they should not do. It is like having a pair of extra eyes watching out for us. But AI isn't just about catching bad gangs, it is also about working together with our communities. Just imagine getting personalized tips on how to stay safe just right on your phone. And we can all pitch in by sharing information and spotting trends to help keep our neighborhood safe. So I think with AI on our side, we can make our communities safer and more peaceful. It is all about using technologies in a smart and a friendly way. Now, let us understand how AI is helping in prosecution and making our legal system more efficient. So, when it comes to prosecution, when someone's being charged with a crime, AI is like the superhero of the legal world. It helps speed up the whole process, reduce delays, and make sure that justice is served quickly and effectively. Now let's see how does it works. AI can analyze evidence and pick out the important things that can help to build a strong case against someone. It can also spot patterns in criminal behavior, which helps prosecutors make decisions about things like plea bargaining and sentencing. Let me give you an example. The Supreme Court of India launched this thing called SUPACE, which is basically like an AI assistant for the courts. It helps to collect and analyze data to make the legal process smoother. And get this, that it is not just about replacing human judgment, but more about making things easier and faster. Now, when talking about numbers, there are like millions of cases pending in courts across India, and it would take centuries to clear them all at the current rate. But with AI lending a hand, we can speed up things, reduce delays, and make sure everyone gets their fair shot at justice. And it's not just about helping prosecutors, AI also makes life easier for judges too. It can translate legal stuff into different languages so everyone can understand, and it helps to manage trials and record court statements without any mistakes. Now, let's talk about how AI is helping out in investigations and other legal work. You know, uh, one big problem in our justice system is not having enough resources to solve crimes. But guess what? AI is stepping in to help. It is like having a super smart detective on the case, but in the computer form. Now, how does it work? So, AI can look at tons of data and find patterns that humans might miss. This helps police find suspects and gather evidence faster and more accurately than before. It is like giving our detectives a super boost. And it's not just about solving crimes, AI is also big help in the courtroom. It can make legal documents really quick based on what's needed for a case. Plus, it can sort through piles of documents and find important stuff, which saves lawyers a ton of time and efforts. AI can also look at forensic evidences like DNA and fingerprints to help solve cases. It is just like having a super powered microscope that can spot tiny details that might solve a crime. So, thanks to AI, our investigators and lawyers are getting a big helping hand. It is like having a whole team of super detectives working round the clock to make sure that justice is served. And that's something we can all be happy about. Now, it is required to have balance between potential benefits of AI and our fundamental rights. So, as we understood that AI is like having a super smart helper in the background, sorting through lots of data and really quick and accurately. This helps make things run smoother and helps people make decisions faster. Plus, AI can do a lot of boring stuff for us, like sorting through paperwork and other routine tasks. This saves us a bunch of time and money, which is always a good thing. But it should be kept in mind that using AI comes with its own set of challenges. We have got to make sure that we have enough data and a good digital systems in place. And we need to be careful about things like prejudice, privacy, and accountability to make sure that we are using AI in the right way. We need to keep a close eye on how it is being used, set some clear rules, and testing things systematically. It is going to take a team effort from AI experts, legal people, and policymakers to get it right. And let's not forget about making sure everyone understands how AI works and what it means for our justice system. Education and open communication are key to making sure that we are using AI in a fair and in a responsible way. So, while AI has a lot of potential to help us out in our criminal justice system, we have got to be very careful and thoughtful about how we use it. Let's wrap up our talk about artificial intelligence in India's legal system. So, with AI on board, we are heading towards a world where justice could be fairer and faster. It is a super smart assistant which is helping police prevent crimes, assist judges in handling cases, and supports lawyers in their work. But remember one thing that we have to make sure it respects our privacy, does not unfairly treat anyone, and does not make any mistakes. After all, AI can't think like humans do. It is just following a set of rules and can't adapt to new situations as well as we can. So, while AI can be a big help, we still need human brains to handle the tough situations. We have got to work together to make sure that AI works for everyone. As we move forward, let's take things step by step, making sure that we are being fair and effective. With the right approach, AI has the potential to really improve our legal system, and that is something worth struggling for. At the end, I am concluding myself in hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much.